Alright, so today we're going to talk about how to merge your AA trailer with your MOC inside your bunker. What you want to do, first off, is you want to get you an AA trailer with some F1s like these, or some bennies. And you're going to try to put the wheels on the cab of this MOC. So in order to do that, you need to walk over to the mechanic inside your bunker that allows you to work on the MOC and the anti-aircraft trailer. So let's go over there. Alright, here we are at the shop.
What are we working on today?
So you want to make sure that your trailer,
need to be gentle with this one.
well, your cab, is sprayed matte black.
Damn it! I think I'm in love.
And you want to go over to customize trailer. It doesn't really matter too much what you do in the beginning, but I changed it. I don't mean customize trailer, I mean customize anti-aircraft trailer, sorry. Okay, so you're customizing the little trailer right here. I put a livery on it. You don't have to put one on there. That doesn't matter, but if you want it to work for sure, just follow the same steps you saw me do here. Choose any livery you like. Okay. Then we're going to respray it. We're going to respray it, but I decided to merge it before I respray it. So you go into the weapons and you hold up on the D-pad until about 30 seconds or so. Probably not even that long, but I do about 30 seconds. Alright. And I was like, wait a second. I forgot to spray paint it. So it's okay. Pretty sure it's already merged, but just go back in, spray it, and then do this again, and we'll be all done. So, yeah, it doesn't look like it shows up over there on the tab, but that's okay. What you would do typically is you would find a new session after you've done that. But maybe it didn't work because I didn't spray it. So we're going to spray it, like I said.
Take your time.
Alright. So pick a color, any color. I like some of these chameleon colors. Baby blue color.
That's my kind of brutal.
So let's keep that on there. Now we'll go back into the weapons. Hold up on the D-pad. Just wait about 30 seconds or so. Basically just confusing the game, making it think that your AA trailer, there we go, it changed. Your AA trailer and your MOC have the same wheels now, because they think they're one and the same briefly. You go to an invite only session, check it out. Now remember, my MOC was matte black. So let's run on in here and see what color it is now. And see what kind of wheels it's got on it. Come on, get walking. Yeah. Alright, we got the AA trailer. Oh, look, there it is. The cab has the new wheels on it, and it's the same color. So there you have it. That's how to merge your MOC with your AA trailer. Whatever wheels you got on your AA trailer and whatever color it is will transfer directly over to the cab of the MOC. And there you have it. Have a good day. Glitched Out Spartan is out.